Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon tallow. First, gather all your bacon drippings after cooking. You can accumulate these over several cooking sessions. Place the drippings in a saucepan over very low heat. The goal is to gently melt the fat without burning it, allowing any small bits of bacon to crisp up. This slow rendering ensures a clean, flavorful tallow. Continue to simmer the bacon drippings over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the fat becoming clearer as the small bacon bits, or cracklings, become crispy and sink to the bottom. Stir occasionally to ensure even heating and prevent anything from sticking to the pan. This gentle process is key to achieving a pure, golden tallow. Avoid high heat, which can scorch the fat. Once the fat is completely rendered and clear, carefully remove it from the heat. Now, it's time to strain. Place a fine mesh sieve over a heat-proof jar or container. For extra purity, you can line the sieve with a few layers of cheesecloth. Slowly pour the hot liquid through the sieve, separating the clear tallow from the crispy bits. Let it cool slightly before sealing. Your homemade bacon tallow is now ready to use. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will solidify and last for several months. It's fantastic for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or even making crispy roasted potatoes, adding a wonderful savory depth to your cooking. It's a versatile fat that elevates many dishes. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.